Betong ka rin 13 tinanggap Most Outstanding Kapampangan Award o Moka ngayong banwa ang athlete Mark Joseph Ocampo. Kwento naking CLTV 36 News, maragulyang sawap yung pamanyalong ng sepak takraw, bang magbayo yung kayang biye. Maragulyaran kanong pasalamat kang Governor Dennis Pineda uling king sawap na, miras na king aliwang bangsa at representa na yung bansa king sepak takraw competitions. King kera ka na ni kwang trophy ang pong medalya, aliwaya pa mo rin kano'y moka tinggap na.
It is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah.
Tutunan po niyan, I'm praying for this talaga. Uling balo ko naman since year 2000 linob ko kay mundo na ng sports. I do know that and I do believe that sports can change one's life.
Tama.
Takakit ko, maswerte ko, metong kong Kapampangan.
Samantala, antiya mo ka ng culmination ng kayang journey kwa ng Most Outstanding Kapampangan Award ng businesswoman na Isabelita Manalastas Watanabe. Para kaya, aliwa pa mo rin pakiramdam may kayang probinsya ay mamiyay-galal at kikilala king maraguna ang baging pamagnegosyo. Pasalamat yan naman kanu ka rin kayang pengari, amito ng maya pabagya kaya.
Ito, parang Kapampangan ko mga Kapampangan niya itatang ko, kay ba't dugumete na lang I see culmination, really. I think parang this is it. I don't wish for anything anymore.
Para naman kay Most Outstanding Kapampangan Overseas Filipino Worker ay Dr. Mary Jane Alvero Almadi at diyang ali ang makapagsalitang Kapampangan ali nakakalingwan in kultura daling kayang pipumpunan. Anya naman niyang may pili ka rin Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awardees nga ning banwa, mas lakwas na kanong penamdaman ni kayang Kapampangan.
Praise God. And I would like to thank everyone, all of you, the MOCA, and then the MOCA awardees also. They're all having a good heart, also very humble. So I'm now one of their circle. So I hope I will not disappoint anyone.
Definitely.
Yes, to be a role model.
Yakoy kaya kayo talasuyo JM De Jesus ating pusong makabalen.